Let's make fancy party sandwiches today, with lots of different toppings. You will need a large baguette, cream cheese, butter, clove of garlic, cheese, Dijon mustard, and salt, plus toppings of your choice, such as eggs, salami, ham, cheese, red pepper, and gherkins. To make the garlic spread, we will whip cream cheese with a little bit of butter. You can use a mixer, a whisk, or a fork. We are using 140 grams of Philadelphia cheese and a tablespoon of butter. Peel a clove of garlic and put it through a garlic press. Add half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Add little bit of salt. Grate in a small piece of cheese. We are using cheddar cheese, but you could use any other type of cheese. Taste the spread. You can add more salt or garlic if needed. Slice a large baguette or white bread. Spread the garlic cream cheese over the top of each slice. Add a piece of ham to each of the sandwiches. Slice hard-boiled eggs and add them as well. Let's add some salami next. You can fold the salami. Two different types of salami, folded next to each other, will look nice. Add some cheese. Add a few thin slices of red pepper. Cut gherkins into halves, lengthwise. Then, cut through gherkin pieces a few times, but do not cut all the way through. Then, press on top of the gherkin piece, creating a fan. Add the gherkin fans to the sandwiches. Transfer the sandwiches to a serving tray, or to a plate.